Losing that stubborn belly fat can prove to be our worst nightmare. Excess abdominal fat can cause you to become bloated and discouraged, apart from being a risk factor for several illnesses. After trying countless weight loss diets, buying that gym membership, attempting all kinds of stressful fasting methods, if you're still struggling with that annoying belly fat, this video may be just what you need. Hello there viewers, in today's video we're going to show you how to get a flat stomach in just a month at home. We've handpicked 5 exercises for you that you can start doing today itself without any equipment. Also, if you guys stick to the end of the video, I'll show you an excellent way to help you get that flat belly of your dreams with practically zero effort. Make sure you stay till the end so that you don't miss out on that. That being said, let's get right into the video. Number 1. Jumping jacks. The first exercise is the good old jumping jacks. Consider this as a kind of warm-up to get your heart pumping. To get started, stand straight with your arms by your sides and legs together. Bend your knees a little and spring into the air, stretching your legs shoulder width apart. Spread your arms and bring them above your head. Now get back to how you started and repeat. Make sure you do this exercise for 30 seconds. Keeping a timer on your phone could be handy. You can increase the duration by 15 to 20 seconds every week for a total of 4 weeks. So if in week 1 you're doing 30 seconds, week 2 will be 45 and then 60 and so on. Number 2. Planks. You can do this exercise on the floor or in a park, but we recommend using a mat. Begin by placing your elbow and forearms on both sides of your body, making sure your hips are pointed towards the ceiling such that your body forms a straight line. Your head should be aligned with your back. Now hold this position for 30 seconds. You can increase the plank's duration by 15 to 20 seconds every week. An essential tip for you is to not hold your breath while you're doing this exercise. It can make you feel dizzy or nauseous. Number 3. Mountain climbers. To start this exercise, get into the plank position. Make sure your hands are a little wider than your shoulders and your core is tight. Bring one of your knees closer to your chest without lifting your hips upwards. Now jump and alternate your legs. Think about it as running in place. The faster you alternate legs, the higher your heart rate will get. Keep doing this exercise for 30 seconds. Like we mentioned previously, you can increase this exercise's duration by 15 to 20 seconds every week to get the best results. Do you like the video so far? If yes, consider smashing the like button to help the YouTube algorithm rank it faster. Number 4. Bird dog. For this exercise, all you have to do is start in a quadruplet position. That is, your hands are under your shoulders while your knees are just below your hips. From here, stretch one of your arms out as if you are reaching for something, followed by an opposite leg behind you, making sure they're both parallel to the floor. Hold this for 2 seconds before getting to the starting position. Repeat with the other arm and leg until you've completed 10 reps on both sides. Instead of increasing the reps, it's better to increase the duration you held the bird dog position. If you did 2 seconds in week 1, keep improving it by 2 seconds every week. Number 5. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are hands down my favorite abdominal exercise. To begin, lie down on your mat, placing your hands behind your head. Start by raising your legs a little, then bring your left knee up while raising your right elbow towards it. Now all you have to do is repeat this for the other side. Make sure you do 10 sets on both sides to complete this exercise. You can again increase the repetitions by 5 each week. That completes our workout. I'm pretty sure you guys smashed it. Remember not to take a break of more than 20 seconds between each of these exercises. Though it may seem hard at first, I promise you that combining these exercises with proper nutrition is bound to get you the results you want. All you have to do is show up. Now, as I promised at the beginning of the video, if you're not a fan of any kind of strenuous exercise or strict diet plans, I've got the perfect weight loss strategy for you that will melt your stubborn body fat off of you in no time and get you the body of your dreams. You can start implementing it right now with literally zero effort, no matter where you are on this planet. Mind you, some folks are losing up to 33.5 pounds in just 30 days by following this method. If you're interested, all you have to do is click the first link in the description to know more about it. So that's it for this video. If you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel and also share this video with friends and family who are likely to benefit from this type of content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.